Hi everyone, now we'll discuss about the discrimination. On what basis article says it is considered as a discriminate, on what only the matter also plays an important role here, and what are the limitation or on what cases it is not considered as a discrimination. Let's discuss this. The prohibition of discrimination, it is the power of the state to maintain shall not discriminate against any citizen on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. There are two crucial words in this. These are only and discrimination. These words tells about the discrimination. The word that means it makes an adverse distinction between the regard. That means the distinguish or unfavorable from the two. If the two persons are there, there is showing a inferiority or inferiority between the two people. That is called the discrimination. The second word talks about the only. This means that the discrimination can't be done with respect to religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, whereas we can make a discrimination on the other matter. That what says in the second point. The second provision is that the state shall protect from the for protecting that certain restricting from the certain places of grounds. These grounds may be same as discussed here. First point is that the access to the shop, public restaurant, hotels, public entertainment, and so on. And second word talks about the use of well, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, public transport, maintaining of it is maintained by whole or partially by the government. All those things. The first point should be maintained by the government, whereas the second point is maintained by the government as well as individuals. This has been mentioned in this slide, that is state and private individuals should be maintained, while the previous point that has to be prohibited only by prohibited to discrimination by the state. The three exceptional are here in this are the state permit to make certain special provision regarding the woman and the child. For example, for the women reservation at the local bodies and free education for the children. The state is permitted to make a special provision for advertisement for any social as well as economical backward classes of the citizen, that might be scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. For example, reservation of seat for the free fee concession for the education institute. The last point says that the state is empowered to make a special provision for socially or educationally backward classes of the citizen for scheduled caste or scheduled tribes regarding the admission of in the education institute. The education institute might be a private education institute or aided education institute, unaided education institute, or except the minority. Remember this, have a star mark. Except the minor institute, we can't go for anywhere for this thing. So this is for today. Thank you.